This is how I was able to make 20% using the break and retest strategy off a very simple level that everyone can use trading the stock market. Let's get right into it. Just to provide you guys some context before we dive right into it, at 5:58 a.m., 30 minutes before the market officially opens, you guys can see I gave out call out levels, for which in this case, one of my call levels was 520.90. And you guys can see here, I have it marked off right before the market opens, and let's get right into it. Let's see how you guys could have traded this and what you guys need to spot in order to catch a nice break and retest just like this. Per usual, what I like to do is catch out breakout trades. I'm not a bounce trader. I'm not a fair value gap ICT trader. I am a very simple breakout trader, and then I use the break and retest as my entry model for entries. So you can already see here, the candle itself is already breaking above 520.90, but that does not mean you need to enter here, guys. Very important. You need to watch price action and see what it does. And in this case, we're getting the first official breakout. Just like in today's video, what you need to do is catch a retest, a pullback. This is where you need to enter. And just like in today's live trading video, if you guys saw it, this is where I personally entered on today's trades long on SPY in today's market. So again, all you need to do is identify your price targets, which in this case, all I did was go back in time and see exactly where I can identify a price target. So we'll use exactly today's live trade price target for the example as well. So boom, you got your price target set, and then you need to identify your stop loss, which in this case, if it gets below this general area, we'll cut it for a loss. And then we're gonna go ahead and buy some. And this is exactly what I did today in today's live trading session. If you guys wanna go check that out, then go click today's vlog and watch me trade this live during the market, fully breaking it down and showing you guys the confidence behind today's trades, showing you guys how simple it is to catch a very simple break and retest. All you need to do is identify a breakout level and identify the retest. As soon as you catch the retest, guys, then you can print some good profits. We literally was able to recover more than yesterday's loss that we made yesterday because we took a $25 loss, or in this case, guys, we made it well over that and recovered 3 times what we lost in one single trade, which is always what we want to do. So again, guys, it's very simple how you can catch a break and retest using any specific level, whether this is a level that you have on your own or any general level that you have that you want to use. Wait for that breakout, capture the retest, and never buy at the top, guys. And that is an ideal entry, just like in today's video. So I hope you guys learn a lot from this, and I hope you guys can catch some good, awesome trades. And if you guys want to learn more and go more in depth on this strategy, best believe I have a Discord channel fully available for all of this access, recorded live lectures, as well as even recorded videos that I personally have done. Use coupon code premium at the discount tab, and make sure you collect a nice 25% off to get into the premium Discord. So I'll see you guys in there, and I hope you guys had a good day.